Welcome to Explore Techniques channel. Today, we will explore ancient architectural construction techniques, buildings that have existed for thousands of years and still stand the test of time. First, we come to the Forbidden City in Beijing, China, one of the greatest architectural symbols of the Ming and Qing dynasties. The construction techniques here requires not only precision, but also patience and skill of the craftsman. The builder used wood and brick, combined with special structural techniques, to create a building that is both beautiful and durable. Wood was used to make the main structural frame. With intricately carved details and vibrant paint, these wooden frames are assembled using the mortise and tenon technique, which creates a strong connection without the use of metal nails. Besides, the large wooden columns are carved with dragon and phoenix motifs, symbols of power and nobility in Chinese culture. These traditional patterns are not only symbolic aesthetic, but also contains profound feng shui meaning, protecting and bringing luck to the palace. Bricks are fired from high-quality clay, then carefully placed to create sturdy city walls and vast palace courtyards. This process requires meticulousness and skill, high technology, ensuring sustainability over hundreds of years. The courtyard and walls are extremely meticulous, but they cannot be compared with the roof of the Forbidden City. The roof of the Forbidden City is covered with blue and yellow lapis lazuli tiles, symbolizing royalty and nobility. Decorative details on the roof include dragons, phoenixes, and other mascots, creating a solemn and splendid beauty for the entire building. Thanks to the combination of wood and brick, along with sophisticated construction techniques, the Forbidden City has become a symbol of Chinese architectural art, both durable and beautiful. This project is not only the residence of the emperors, but also a precious cultural and historical heritage of humanity. And one extremely surprising thing is that the chief engineer of this project is Vietnamese Nam, a neighboring country of China. Today, the Forbidden City is a famous tourist destination, attracting millions of tourists from all over the world to admire and explore. Every corner of the Forbidden City brings colorful historical stories and valuable lessons about the art and techniques of construction. Next, we come to the Parthenon Temple in Greece, a symbol of ancient art and architecture. The Parthenon Temple was built on the Acropolis Hill, in the capital Athens, and is one of the most outstanding works of ancient Greek architecture. The construction techniques of the Parthenon demonstrate the sophistication and ingenuity of the ancient Greeks. The large stone pillars are meticulously carved from white marble, bringing a serene beauty and strengthen the temple. The ancient Greeks used a special type of cement, mixed from many natural ingredients, to bond stone blocks together. This type of cement has the ability to withstand force, tall, helping the pillars and the entire temple stand firm for centuries. To build tall and sturdy pillars, they used a lever system. Levers helped workers lift large blocks of stone to the desired height effectively and accurately. The special thing here is that the pillars of the Parthenon are not completely straight. In fact, they have a slight curve in the middle, a technique called entasis. This technique creates an optical illusion that makes the pillars appear straight and symmetrical when viewed from a distance. The entasis technique, along with the combination of other architectural elements, turned the Parthenon into an architectural masterpiece, demonstrating the people's profound understanding of mathematics and fine arts. Ancient Greek. Today, the Parthenon is not only a historical monument, but also a cultural symbol, attracting millions of tourists from all over the world to admire and explore. Finally, the Egyptian pyramids, one of the wonders of the ancient world. If the Chinese Forbidden City took 13 years to build, the Egyptian pyramids needed 100,000 of workers worked for 20 years to complete these works. They were built from giant blocks of stone, each weighing from 2.5 to 15 tons. The process of transporting these blocks of stone from the quarry, getting to the construction site, is a big challenge. The Egyptians used special paved roads and large carts to move these blocks of stone. Workers pushed and pulled the blocks on roads that were moistened to reduce friction and easier movement. Once the stone blocks arrived at the construction site, the Egyptians used a system of levers and pulleys to lift them to incredible heights. Levers increased the workers' strength, allowing they lift blocks of stone weighing many tons without much effort. Pulleys were attached to the pillars around the pyramid, allowing workers to pull ropes and lift the blocks one step at a time. This process required the coordination and strength of hundreds of workers working together. The process of building the Great Pyramid was a feat of coordination, engineering, and human strength. The blocks were placed into position with absolute precision. Even with machines, modern machines cannot do it, and it is rumored that the ancient Egyptians possessed alien construction techniques that could create great works that have existed for thousands of years. Still stands the test of time. Are truly great works, aren't they? Is not only a symbol of greatness and human creative spirit, but also a testament to the outstanding development of construction techniques through each period. These works have overcome all the tests of time and are still standing, giving us valuable lessons in engineering and the art of construction. Thank you for watching the video. If you love stories about ancient architecture, please like, share, and subscribe to the Explore Techniques channel. See you again in the next videos.